Permacon presents a short animation on how to create a bench using the Skyline Wall. Excavate desired area at least 12 inches deep. The excavated area should always be 6 inches wider on all sides. Spread 10 inches of crushed stone, then level and compact. Install the first row of the Skyline Wall. The modules should sit 1 to 2 inches below grade to help prevent shifting. Apply beads of concrete adhesive at several places on each block. Install the Skyline Wall and apply beads of concrete adhesive at several places. Repeat this process for 7 rows. Install 4 units of square 12 by 12 slabs as capping to add to the finishing touch. Apply beads of concrete adhesive under each slab. Check that your columns are parallel by measuring the distance between the 2 columns at several places. All distances should be equal. To make the bench, screw the 2x4 onto the 4x4. Apply concrete adhesive on each side of the bench. Your bench using Skyline Wall is now complete. To complete this project, you will need the following products. Visit oldcastlearchitectural.ca to consult our detailed installation guide.